Gifu Prefecture has a population of 1,991,390 and has a geographic area of 10,621 square kilometers. Gifu Prefecture borders Toyama Prefecture to the north, Ishikawa Prefecture to the northwest, Fukui Prefecture to the west, Shiga Prefecture to the southwest, Mie Prefecture and Aichi Prefecture to the south, and Nagano Prefecture to the east. Gifu is the capital and largest city of Gifu Prefecture, with other major cities including Ogaki, Kakamigahara, and Tajimi. Gifu Prefecture is located in the center of Japan, one of only 8 landlocked prefectures, and features the country's center of population. Gifu Prefecture has served as the historic crossroads of Japan with routes connecting the east to the west, including the Nakazendo, one of the 5 routes of the Edo period. Gifu Prefecture was a long-term residence of Oda Nobunaga and Saito Dosen, 2 influential figures of Japanese history in the Sengoku period, spawning the popular phrase of "control Gifu and you control Japan" in the late medieval era. Gifu Prefecture is known for its traditional washi paper industry, including Gifu lanterns and Gifu umbrellas, and as a center for the Japanese swordsmithing and cutlery industries. Gifu Prefecture is home to Gifu Castle, the 1,300-year-old tradition of cormorant fishing on the Nagara River, and the site of the Battle of Sekigahara. The land area that makes up modern-day Gifu became part of the Yamato court around the middle of the 4th century. Because it is in the middle of the island of Honshu, it has been the site of many decisive battles throughout Japan's history, the oldest major one being the Jinsen War in 672, which led to the establishment of Emperor Tenmu as the 40th Emperor of Japan. The area of Gifu Prefecture consists of the old provinces of Hida and Mino, as well as smaller parts of Akaizan and Shinano. The name of the prefecture derives from its capital city, Gifu, which was named by Oda Nobunaga during his campaign to unify all of Japan in 1567. The first character used comes from Kishin, a legendary mountain from which most of China was unified, whereas the second character comes from Khufu, the birthplace of Confucius. Nobunaga chose those characters because he wanted to unify all of Japan and he wanted to be viewed as a great mind. Historically, the prefecture served as the center of sword making for the whole of Japan, with Seiki being known for making the best swords in Japan. More recently, its strengths have been in fashion and aerospace engineering. On October 28, 1891, the present-day city of Motosu was the epicenter for the Mino-Owari earthquake, the second largest earthquake to ever hit Japan. The earthquake, estimated at 8.0, left a fault scarp that can still be seen today. One of the few landlocked prefectures in Japan, Gifu shares borders with 7 other prefectures: Aichi, Fukui, Ishikawa, Mie, Nagano, Shiga and Toyama. Japan's postal codes all start with a 3-digit number, ranging from 001 to 999. Part of Gifu has the 500 prefix, reflecting its location in the center of Japan. The center of Japanese population is currently located in Seiki City, Gifu Prefecture. The center of population is a hypothetical point at which a country is perfectly balanced, assuming each person has a uniform weight. The spot was calculated using the 2005 census. As of the 31st of March 2019, 18% of the total land area of the prefecture was designated as natural parks, namely the Hakushin and Chubusango National Parks, Hida Kisogawa and Ibi Sekigahara Yoro Quasi-National Parks, and 15 prefectural natural parks. Gifu has 5 unofficial regions, which allows local municipalities to work together to promote the surrounding area. The 5 regions are Sino, Gifu, Chuno, Tono and Hida. The borders of the regions are loosely defined, but they are usually delineated among major cities. The northern Hida region is dominated by tall mountains, including parts of the Japanese Alps. The southern Mino region is mostly parts of the fertile Nobi Plain, a vast plains area with arable soil. Most of the prefecture's population lives in the southern part of the prefecture, near the designated city of Nagoya. The mountainous Hida region contains both the Hida Mountains, which are referred to as the Northern Alps, and the Kiso Mountains, which are known as the Central Alps in Japan. The Ryahaku Mountains are also in the Hida region. Other major ranges include the Ibuki Mountains and the Yoro Mountains. Much of the Mino region is made up of the alluvial plain of the Kiso three rivers, which are the Ibi River, Kiso River and Nagara River. The sources of all three rivers are in Nagano Prefecture and they eventually run through Aichi and Mie prefectures before emptying into Ice Bay. Other major rivers in the prefecture include the Jinzu, Takahara, Sho, Shonai, Yahagi and Itoshiro rivers. Gifu's climate varies from humid subtropical climate in the south, eventually making the transition